Remove the cleaning tray. Wipe the water level sensor contacts clean with a dry cloth. Remove the dirty water tank. Open the dirty water tank lid and inspect the gasket for damage or deformation. If the sealing ring is not installed properly, the station may fail to draw water. Press it firmly into place to ensure a proper seal. When closing the dirty water tank lid, ensure the gasket forms a tight seal. Check whether the water port seal on the base station is damaged or missing. Install the dirty water tank. Install the cleaning tray. Finally, go to the base station control page. The issue is resolved once the indicator light on the mop cleaning tray turns green.